If you want your hair to grow longer and become healthier, then you need a combination of proper care, a healthy lifestyle, and the use of natural remedies like herbs. These herbs are known for their properties that stimulate hair growth, improve scalp health, and strengthen hair follicles. Here are some powerful natural remedies for hair health. 1. Amla. Amla is revered in Ayurveda for its hair-nourishing properties. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it strengthens hair follicles, promotes hair growth, and helps prevent premature graying. Amla can be used in various forms, as oil, powder, or in teas, to support hair health. 2. Bhringraj. Known as the king of herbs for hair, Bhringraj oil or powder stimulates hair growth and prevents hair fall. It nourishes the scalp, improves blood circulation, and strengthens hair follicles, promoting healthier and faster hair growth. 3. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which are beneficial for hair growth. They strengthen hair follicles, prevent breakage, and add shine to hair. Fenugreek seeds can be soaked overnight and ground into a paste for application or used as a hair rinse. 4. Aloe vera. Applying aloe vera gel directly to the scalp promotes healthy hair growth by balancing pH levels, reducing scalp inflammation, and nourishing hair follicles. It also acts as a natural conditioner, improving hair texture. 5. Hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers and leaves are rich in vitamins and amino acids that nourish hair, stimulate growth, and prevent hair fall. Its natural conditioning properties make hair soft and manageable. Hibiscus can be used in hair masks, oils, or rinses to encourage rapid hair growth. 6. Neem. Neem has potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it ideal for maintaining scalp health. It cleanses the scalp, treats dandruff, and promotes hair growth by keeping infections at bay. Neem oil or neem-infused hair products can be beneficial for overall hair health. These herbs can be used in various DIY hair masks, hair oils, or as infusions to experience their benefits. It's important to note that while these herbs can support hair growth and improve hair health, individual results may vary. Consistency in usage and overall lifestyle factors like a balanced diet, proper hydration, and reduced stress also play a significant role in promoting rapid hair growth. If there is a medical condition, it is best to consult your dermatologist for proper diagnosis and treatment. Before using these herbs extensively, it's advisable to perform a patch test to check for any allergic reactions.